Six Sigma certification is becoming a requirement for most management positions in all industries. While Six Sigma started out in manufacturing, it is applicable in all industries such as healthcare and technology too. What is Six Sigma certification? Six Sigma certification is a method of enhancing the quality of a firm's goods and services by discovering in which and how they go wrong and correcting them. Advantages of Six Sigma certification in 2025 for workers or people. 1. Be more useful to employers. Six Sigma certification indicates you are capable of improving work and fixing problems, and you become an effective team member. 2. Gain real work experience. You learn through doing work on projects that improve and accelerate things, benefiting both your job and your company. 3. Better job opportunities. Certified individuals generally get better jobs and are proud of what they can accomplish. 4. Stronger resume. Including Six Sigma in your resume tells employers that you are trained to improve quality, which is a positive thing for most industries. 5. Begin work in managerial roles. One of the biggest advantages of Six Sigma certification is that it can get you promoted to management. Benefit of Six Sigma certification to organizations. Benefit of Six Sigma certification to organizations. 1. Increased productivity. Increasingly, companies are training their employees in Six Sigma so that all of them know how to keep things up to standards. Using Six Sigma enables companies to accomplish more, do it more efficiently, and earn more. 2. Low costs. Six Sigma is a method by which companies can detect and eliminate problems within their companies. Money is saved and quality is improved. It also encourages new ideas and ongoing improvement. 3. Greater confidence from investors. Companies that have employees certified in Six Sigma demonstrate they care about quality. This helps build trust with investors and others who support the business. 4. Happier customers. Six Sigma assists businesses in identifying the means of enhancing customer service. Once companies resolve these problems, customers are happier and, as a result, more likely to be loyal. 5. Follow rules and regulations. Companies that are Six Sigma certified are better at following government rules and industry regulations. This allows them to complete projects in time, stick to their budget, and maintain customers. It also saves them money in the long run. Conclusion: Six Sigma certification offers helpful skills that help people develop and advance their careers. It helps companies achieve quality improvement, cost reduction, and the development of high-performing teams. Following Six Sigma yields permanent success to people and organizations.